Camera person.
So recording.
Imagine that person who directed me was filming together in primary school. Am I anxious? Yes. Let me sit down. Ouch, the tongue is painful.
Stop. Hapo blood ya flow.
Oh, ndio maana yuko na uchungu.
Shike hivyo. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Breathe in again, Jules.
Breathe in heavily.
Jesus Christ. Angwana tumeanza kujiumba. I was just anxious, but it's not honestly painful. Ouch, what is that? Ouch. Whatever that is, it's painful. Shaingia?
Shaingia.
Nataka kuning'oa masikio kaka.
Sawa.
Shaingia? Oh, latewa. Like kama ni gani sasa ningetoa, alikuwa anatoa bubbles.